Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Another week, another video. और ये video है our first week in the UK. Start with giving a little background about me, and if you're new then welcome. Basically हम लोग कराची में रहते थे पहले, and now we've moved to the UK because my husband Naman has gotten a job in the UK, and so we moved because of that. Guys, we've arrived. I worked as a content creator, so I'm still gonna be working as a content creator. I started posting videos on YouTube back in 2015. I think उस time पे YouTube शायद banned था.
A 3-strand braid. Now it's up to you if you want to make a 3-strand braid or you want to make a fishtail. It's completely up to your discretion.
And it started off as a hobby, and then it turned into like a full-time thing. So here I am sitting in front of the camera रात के 11:30 बजे in London talking to you guys. We have recently moved to London and it has been a very overwhelming journey. I feel like the most overwhelming thing so far has been finding a new normal. Example ये है कि like I don't think I have ever taken Alian alone anywhere. Like हमेशा कभी ना कोई होता था. A driver, a nanny, मेरी मम्मा, mother-in-law, someone always has been there. And this I want to say has been my first time कि मैं आलियान को अकेले पार्क लेके गई and all by myself walking. Like haven't done that, and we are just trying to make that newness into a new normal.
Guys, we've made it to a park. Yeah.
Guys, I'm super proud of myself क्योंकि आज मैं अकेली आई हूँ पहली दफ़ा आलियान को बाहर निकल के, वो भी in a new city. Yeah, which you wanna go now? अभी मैं ज़्यादा प्राउड नहीं होती क्योंकि अभी घर भी वापस जाना है. And I do have SIM. I activated it this morning ताकि मैं बाहर निकल सकूँ. And I sent myself घर की location so that I can reach where we are.
Watch your head. Watch your head. Come on. Come on. Watch your head. Yeah.
Guys, हम लोग train drive कर रहे हैं.
We're driving the train. Ali will be going in the train.
Guys, all the buildings are so pretty here. मतलब मैं जितनी भी अभी तक walk करके आई, I just saw really pretty buildings.
Ali, what are you looking at? Those are for big kids.
Another overwhelming thing about here, I don't know, I wouldn't say overwhelming, or maybe it is. Thing is grocery shop. पहले तो कहाँ जाएं? Sainsbury's जाएं, M&S जाएं, Waitrose जाएं, Lidl जाएं, or Aldi जाएं. Like where do you go? So that is one question that you need to figure out. Then आप दूध खरीदने जा रहे हैं. आयल में 1000 किस्म के दूध हैं. अंडे खरीदने 1000 किस्म के अंडे हैं. दही खरीदने 1000 किस्म का दही है. So like जो decisions आप चाह रहे हैं कि आप जल्दी लें, they're just taking you a lot longer. And we've, I think, done grocery shopping at least 5-6 times, and we've still ended up with an empty fridge, which we don't understand. Like, what are we doing wrong? Cannot wait to order stuff online. We're still, it is our first week. We're still waiting for our bank cards to come. So it's just been difficult because we can't get stuff online. I feel like online shopping would have been better when it comes to like when आपके पास बहुत सारे options होते हैं. What does the list say? Tea. Tea? Let's go to the tea section. यहाँ से कुछ है? So far we have blueberries. This was not on the list, but लिखा तो ले लिया. Guys, एक हमें ये चिकन टिक्का मिला है हलाल, तो हमने उठा लिया, और साथ में एक स्ट्रॉबेरी योगर्ट भी उठाया. Generally, I knew Karachi really well, especially because I've lived there all my life. और यहाँ पे जब से मैं आई हूँ, I'm just like, okay, what's happening? Where do we have to go? ये भी बिल्कुल वैसी लग रही है street जो कि दूसरी वाली street थी. Like it just all looks the same. So I feel like it has been a learning curve in learning the area, understanding what where is, and city किस तरह से mapped out है. मैं literally जब से मैं आई हूँ, I've been learning something new every day. So like my life motto right now is learn something new every single day. Hello, it is I think day 3 in London. और आज हम जा रहे हैं Furnival Gardens. Basically, we're just trying to create a routine आलियान के लिए because he's just
been a little crazy. So we're gonna check this place out. कल मैं उसको एक पार्क ले गई थी all by myself, which I'm super proud of. आज नुमान भी है मेरे साथ. He is driving the pram and we are going. अभी तक हम लोग अपने एरिया से बाहर नहीं निकले. We're in Hammersmith. We haven't left this area and gone out. अभी तक हम लोग ने public transportation figure out नहीं किया है. But hopefully this weekend we'll do that. One step at a time. के अंडर में Hello. So we've just got Alian down for bed. It's currently 9:30. हमने यहाँ पे उसका बेड टाइम थोड़ा सा जल्दी करने की कोशिश की है क्योंकि obviously Numan has to wake up early for work. Like around he has to be in the office by 8:30, 9 o'clock. तो हम भी जल्दी उठते हैं. तो मैं चाह रही हूँ कि आलियान भी जल्दी सुबह उठे. Like there's no point sleeping late and waking up late. So we usually are in bed by like 11:30 max, which is like new for us because I used to stay awake till like 3 a.m. But I don't think we can do that here. Anyway, आज हमने डिनर के लिए निकाला है ये. This is the तारिक हलाल चिकन. ये हमें सेंसबरी से मिली थी एंड इट्स गुड. इसके साथ मैंने कुछ पराठे भी ख़रीदे हैं, मज़ेदार पराठे. एक टर्किश एक इस्तांबुल स्टोर है लाइक वेयर वी आर इन द हैमरस्मिथ एरिया, जैसे कि मैंने आपको बताया. तो यहाँ पे एक लाइक किंग्स रोड जो है उस पे एक इस्तांबुल स्टोर है, इस्तांबुल ऑर्गेनिक. इट्स अ नाइस ग्रोसरी स्टोर. उनके पास शान मसाले वगैरह भी होते हैं. सो वी गॉट दैट. And we also got some corn on the cob, which I am definitely thinking of opening. And we can also skip paratha. I feel like हम अगर सिर्फ chicken खाएं with the corn would be good. So that is the plan. Let's make it. That I kaleidoscope, both of us changing our pattern with every spin. Oh, kaleidoscope, glass bits and pieces from planets that I've never been. Guys, I just saw कि इसकी lights जलती हैं after like 3 days of living here. Now it's not that dark anymore. Guys, you know, I thought कि adjustment में phases सिर्फ ये होते हैं कि like adjusting to a new place and people, but I did not think कि adjustment में आलियान की adjustment इतनी ज़्यादा होगी. He has been feeling lonely. I think that is the only way to put it. जी मेरी जान क्या हुआ? बंद नहीं हो रहा? भरे हुए घर से आना, being around like दादा दादी नाना नानी and someone always like there to play. He has gotten a little aggressive because उसको वो outlet नहीं मिल रहा है अपनी energy निकालने का. So I think he's become a little aggressive. We can eat some chips. We can eat some chips. Yeah. So that has been definitely an adjustment for him. And like मैं और नुमान पहले तो 2-3 दिन तो हम ये सोचते थे कि क्या हो गया, इतना crazy क्यों हो गया. And now we have like started seeing कि उसको हर वक्त बाहर जाना होता है because he feels lonely. Even though we both are here with him, he still feels lonely. So this would be a big adjustment for my baby. I feel bad for him. I feel bad for you.
Public transportation in London is very good. Like Karachi में तो आप जब होते हैं you're just like yeah, you need a car because if you don't have a car, like it's tough. So we tried public transportation and I want to say that public transportation is great. It takes you from point A to point B, but I think it hinders in you learning the city. गाड़ी से travel करेंगे और आप उन जगहों को देखेंगे ना, you're gonna be like I have no idea what this is, what this place is, because train में आप शहर को देख ही नहीं पाते, आप बस ट्रेन में होते हैं. सो यू कॉन्ट रियली लुक एट द सिटी. नॉट एवरी ट्रेन लाइक यूजुअली जो सब अंडरग्राउंड हैं you can't look at the city. So when you travel, you just don't remember the landmarks, and I feel like it's such a desi, like Pakistani thing to like remember things with landmarks. कि हाँ कायद आज़म का मज़ार, ओके यहाँ से लेफ़्ट जाना है, या फिर शहबाज पे जो आई हॉप है. So like you see those things, so it's easier for you to like your brain to like take a picture of that place. But यहाँ पे क्योंकि आप underground और buses वगैरह से travel करें, so you don't get to take a snapshot. मगर वैसे public transportation is great. Like you can get from one point of the city, like one end to the other, without any muscle. Just sit on the train, change the train, map है आपके पास, and it's great. I want to learn the रास्ते. Is what I'm trying to say. I know अभी सिर्फ एक हफ्ता हुआ है, and Anusha, it's okay that you don't remember the रास्ते in time.
The train is here. Let's get on. Guys, we've arrived in Westminster, and now we have to take the lift up to exit. What is that? It's quite grand. Guys, we're looking for London Eye. अभी हमें एक टेलीफोन बूथ दिखाया, मगर यहाँ पे इतनी लंबी लाइन है. So I was like, oh, let's take a photo, and then I saw the line behind it. I was like, no, that's crazy. Oh, we're getting उस तरफ. Oh, damn. We have to go back. हम wrong direction में थे. We've made it to the London Eye. It's kind of sad that it's such a grey day today, but I guess it's not working. शायद ऐसा कोई time होता है. So we're just walking and seeing what we can find. Guys, we found halal fish chips. तो अब हम ले रहे हैं. Actually, we're just getting the cod and the scampi. Yeah. चले हम जा रहे हैं. Okay guys, first time going outside of London, so we're just still figuring out the platform situation and the ticket situation. Shall we exit कर? No, I guess he's not coming up. I only have one cousin in London जो कि Kent में रहते हैं, so technically outside London, and we're going to meet him, and I think it's always nice to have some close family close by.
बड़ा अच्छा लगता है. पहले मैं भी बोला वो मैंने कहा बड़ा और यार मेरे दिमाग से
Working? Yeah. What are you working on? What are you working on? Office? कहते नमाज पढ़ें बेबी. नमाज पढ़ने के बाद आपसे बात करेंगे वो.
The Waterloo and City line is closed.
Yeah. Hello. So we are here at a restaurant. It's called Hiba, and I'm here with my school friend. We've been friends for a very long time. But obviously we didn't live in the same city, so हम ऐसा मिलते नहीं थे. But she lives in London, so we're here for a late lunch. This is Zaha. Hi, I'm showing food, and this is Kelvin. Hi. What's up? I'm sorry, like वो तो एकदम से कैमरा आप लोग ज़्यादा yeah, so yeah, exactly, yeah, no, I get it. So हमने अभी भी खाना खाया. We had this Lebanese Palestinian sort of food, and it was good. I'm so full. I don't think I'm gonna have any dinner because my God, I'm full. Numan अभी तक खाना फोड़ रहे हैं.
You turn to your desi, persona when you talk to me.
My desi melaness comes out. Yeah, I'm like that camera videographer at the weddings. Just vlogs people when they're eating.
I also love like it's like completely towards the end of our like meal, and she's like,
Yeah,
wait
it's
a
like,
minute,
yeah, wait a minute, I forgot to vlog. Alian is also
Actually,
here.
the best time to vlog would have been like when the
When the
food
food
arrived.
arrived, yeah, sorry about that. I'm a crap vlogger, sorry about that.
The baby ना
Yeah, oh God,
timing
yeah.
out है ऐसे।
So that's what's happening. Sorry, मैं आपको खाना बिल्कुल अब उसके ट्रू फॉर्म में नहीं दिखा सकी क्योंकि वो अब खा चुका है हम सब. But yeah, खाना बहुत अच्छा था. It was good. Yeah, amazing food. Yeah. Guys, okay. एक चीज़ जो थोड़ी सी एडजस्टमेंट में इशू हो रहा है वो है चीज़ों का बंद हो जाना. अभी 7:30 बजे हैं और हमें दूध चाहिए है. दूध नहीं है बिल्कुल घर में और ज़्यादातर ग्रोसरी स्टोर जो है ना वो बंद है. तो हमें किसी छोटी सी शॉप से पकड़ना पड़ेगा दूध. तो हमारे रास्ते में तो नहीं मगर घर के करीब एक जगह है इस्तांबुल ऑर्गेनिक. तो वहाँ से हम यूजुअली चीज़ें ले लेते हैं. मेरा 11 बजे तक खुली होती है. तो दूध लेना है कुछ. उसके पास डिश वॉशर की चीज़ें नहीं थी यार. फिर से रह जाएगा वो. Okay. Yeah, it's tough, right? When you don't want to wear the shoes. और इस वाले में भी पहना है. ये वाले शू को करीब आने के बजाय मेरा पाँव मार लेके जा रहे हैं. पहना है. Put my shoes on, please. Okay. Thank you.
Another thing that I feel this week has taught me, and I feel like that I found challenging, is managing time. I mean, I enjoy doing all the work. घर के काम, that's fine. I don't mind doing that. सफाई, keeping things in the right place. आप obviously आपको हर चीज़ करनी है. तो अगर आप पॉजिटिव नहीं रहेंगे तो फिर तो मतलब चुल्लू भर पानी में जाके डूब जाना बेहतर है. जो सबसे ज़्यादा मैसेजेस थे मुझे वही थे कि आपने क्या कर लिया, आपको सब खुद करना पड़ेगा. अभी तक के लिए तो ठीक है, लाइक मैनेज हो रहा है. डूइंग आलियाज़ routine and cooking and like cleaning. I like that. The only thing that I'm struggling with is finding a balance between what I want to do and what needs to be done at home. So that has been a struggle. Like मेरी filming और editing का काम है. I need to do that, but like अगर मैं किचन में जाऊँगी, किचन फैला हुआ है तो I'm just gonna be cleaning the kitchen. Then मैं दूसरे कमरे में जाऊँगी, वहाँ पे कपड़े फैले हुए हैं, I'm gonna be cleaning that. So like बहुत सारी चीज़ें एक साथ start हो जाती हैं, and then वही बात है ना, jack of all trades, master of none वाली बात है. तो that is something that I need to sort of prioritize in my head कि अगर मैं ये कर रही हूँ तो बस मैं सिर्फ यही कर रही हूँ, उस पर फोकस करना है और बाकी किसी काम पे फोकस नहीं करना है. So that is also a learning curve कि आप prioritize करें. किचन फैला हुआ है तो फैला हुआ है, हो जाएगा हो जाएगा. You learn something new every day and I feel like there's nothing wrong in that. हर रोज़ अगर आप एक नई चीज़ सीखते हैं ना तो आप एक नई स्किल आपके दिमाग में आती है and it just keeps your mind fresh. I'm really excited and I'm so happy that you guys are here. So much, like so many lovely comments, so much support from you guys. Really appreciate it. And yeah, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon in my next vlog.